Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting new review for you, the Samsung Galaxy S22 smartphone. This top-of-the-line device is packed with amazing features that will take your mobile experience to the next level. The Samsung Galaxy S22 comes factory unlocked, so you can use it with any carrier of your choice. With 128 GB of storage, an 8K camera and video capabilities, and the brightest display on the market, this phone is truly a game changer. Not to mention the long battery life and fast 4nm processor, which will keep you connected and powered up all day long. The US version of the Samsung Galaxy S22 comes in a sleek phantom black design and runs on Android 12 with One UI 4.1.1. It boasts an octa-core processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of internal storage expandable with Adreno 730. Plus, the dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz HDR10 display with Corning Gorilla Glass is a sight to behold, measuring 6.1 inches, with a resolution of 1080x2340. Connectivity options are plentiful with Wi-Fi 800 2.11 ABGN AX6E, GPS, Wi-Fi Direct, Hotspot, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB Type-C 3.2. The 50MP camera with LED flash and 1080p video capabilities ensure that your memories will be captured in stunning detail. And at only 5.75x 2.78x 0.30 inches and 5.89 ounces, this smartphone is comfortable to hold and use. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is a single SIM device that supports GSM, HSPA, LTE, and CDMA networks, making it a versatile option for users on the go. With all of these incredible features, it's no wonder the Samsung Galaxy S22 is a top choice for smartphone enthusiasts. If you're ready to elevate your mobile experience, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on this renewed Samsung Galaxy S22 today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience the future of mobile technology. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech reviews.